Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to join the family. You may also consider turning on the post notification bell to be notified each time we post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our content. We truly appreciate. So to start us off, we shall start by cutting out our free range chicken into various parts. So first we shall cut out the wings, then followed by the drumsticks and the back of the chicken. We shall then separate the back of the chicken, which is very good for chicken stock, from the breast of the chicken. At this point in time, I'm going to pre-cook my free-range chicken, and I'm going to do so by adding some salt for seasoning, as well as adding some bay leaves. Remember guys, we are making free-range chicken, or better known as Kienyeji chicken. Once the chicken has pre-cooked, we are going to add in some onions into our cooking pot. And since the chicken was a bit fatty, we are not going to be adding in any cooking oil. So I'll allow the onions to soften. Once the onions have softened, I will now go in with my tomatoes and green bell peppers, and I will allow these ones to cook until ready. So once our tomatoes and bell peppers are ready, it is now time to go in with our seasoning, and in our case we are going to be using a chicken cube and some turmeric powder. We shall then allow the spices to cook for some time before we add in our chicken stock. At this point in time, once we are sure our spices at least have cooked, we are going to go in with our pre-cooked chicken. Then we are also going to add in our stock and allow everything to simmer together. And lastly, just before we serve our chicken, I'm going to go in with our coriander to garnish. So thank you so much for staying until the very end. I hope you have learned a thing or two on how we make our free-range chicken. Please remember to like this video. Please remember to share the video as widely as possible, and don't forget to leave us a kind comment at the tail end of this video. And until our next video, remember that good people look like me and you. Goodbye.